So for my cell lines, I've been thinking quite a lot about this, and I've divided them into different sections for what I've done. So these two specifically are for my front cover. So they're what you're going to see when you first pick up a magazine. So it has to be really captivating and wanting the reader to pick it up, basically. So when I was coming up with these, I didn't sit down for a solid hour and do it. I was thinking about it over a few days, and every time something came into my head, I would write it down. I think by doing this, I was always subconsciously thinking about it, and therefore thinking about it longer than just in a few hours, which I suppose is good and bad at the same time. I really like this one, Show Your Style. I think I want to include a personal pronoun just because then it engages the reader more and just should attract their attention. But then I'd want that as like my main cell line and say Royal Nothings and Ultimate Selection for smaller cell lines somewhere else on the page. I think by doing this, I can get a nice variety with personal pronouns without some which have a play on words, some which don't. And I think that that's a really good idea, if I'm honest. Out of all of these, all of them, I know that I like this one, as I said, Show Your Style. I think that this one's too typical. Like, everyone could come up with that. I like this one, What is your best look? That's just because it's personal pronoun again, but it's a rhetorical question, which after English we know about all of these little devices and ways which you can intrigue the audience more. So as this one contains both, this is a really good idea. I was thinking as a mini subheading, cell line, I might use this one, I'll snap your style. I think that this is really, I thought of it as like a really snappy thing to say. And yeah, I just really like that. There's a few of these which is a little bit dodgy. For example, only the best. That's really dodgy. Like, it's typical, anyone could think of that. And I don't want my magazine to have the typical stuff on it. Yeah.